In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset chart to default in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know 2 reliable ways to restore your chart's visuals. Plus how to quickly clear indicators when your screen feels cluttered. This is helpful whether you are troubleshooting a messy layout, switching back from a custom theme, or simply starting fresh for a new analysis session. First, let's restore the chart's visual appearance without touching your analysis. This resets things like candle colors, background scales, and grid to the platform's original template, while keeping your indicators and drawings in place. To do that from the chart settings, click the gear icon at the top right of the chart to open the settings window. At the bottom, find the template button. Click it. Choose Apply Defaults from the drop-down and then confirm with OK. Your chart's look will snap back to the default style. This is great if a theme or color tweak went too far, and it won't remove any tools you are using. If you've been experimenting with custom templates, remember you can always reapply them later. But this step gives you a clean baseline in seconds. If you want a faster refresh, use the right-click method. Right-click anywhere on the chart area and select Reset Chart. This quickly restores the view so it looks and feels like a fresh default layout. Again, without removing your indicators or drawings. It's a simple way to clear visual quirks and get the chart back to a familiar state. Now, if your chart is crowded with old analysis, start by removing indicators. Look to the top left legend where your indicator names appear. Hover over any indicator name and click the trash or X icon to remove it immediately. This is ideal when you want to keep some tools and ditch others. If you prefer a clean slate, you can also right-click on the chart and select Remove Indicators to clear them all at once. This keeps the price chart and visuals intact while wiping out your studies in bulk. Keep in mind that this action targets indicators. Drawings you've added will remain unless you remove them separately. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If you change your mind, use Undo right away to revert. And if you are experimenting, consider saving your current layout first so you can return to it later without losing anything important. That's it. Thanks for watching.